Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's segment because I'm recommending a reality show web series for beauty bloggers. I know beauty blogging is really popular on YouTube, and I think it's cool that Allure partnered with CoverGirl to create a web series just for you guys. I think Allure and CoverGirl did a great job at picking 5 really diverse makeup artists to showcase their talent and also give beauty tips to people that, like me, don't really know how to do really cool and fun things with makeup besides doing lip balm and mascara and powder. That's all I'm wearing right now. My favorite contestant on the show is Rebecca Alladine. I had a chance to work with her about 3 years ago on a music video for Big Gift and CeeLo Green for their music video. She was a makeup artist and she is very humble. She lets the work speak for itself, and she's just a very good person to work with and be around. So shouts out to you, Rebecca. I'm so proud of you. I'm so excited that you're in this competition, and I'm excited to see what you do next. Okay, I'm gonna flip the camera around in selfie mode so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm gonna do this challenge where I'm just using one eyeshadow to create something fun on my face. Back with my eyeshadow makeup challenge, and my sister told me that if I'm gonna do this, I need to put petroleum jelly on my face, or the parts of my face that I'm gonna put the eyeshadow on. So let's get started. I think I'm gonna do some highlight. And I'm using CoverGirl Bombshell Shine Shadow. And this is a liquid eyeshadow, so I'm going to use a little bit. That's not really coming out the way I planned. Or that's kind of darker than what I expected. Okay, let's not do that. Or actually, it could kind of be contouring. Okay, I'm going to put some on my eyelids, where it's supposed to go. You can tell I don't do this on the regular, but it's fun. I think it looks good. It looks like a smoky, what's it called? Smoky lid. I was really expecting this to be a little lighter, like a highlight kind of a color, shimmer, but it's like that. Where else can I put this? Maybe make a lip, since there's Vaseline. It's kind of cool. I like it. And this kind of, what I did earlier, kind of makes it look cool too. Put a little bit more. It's kind of what Rebecca did in the, I forgot which challenge it was, but something where she put this on her cheekbones to make it look like a hologram type of a look. I like it. Alright, so that's my look. I put eyeshadow on my cheeks, my lips, and my eyelids. And the show is called Allure Incubator. They partnered with CoverGirl to let these 5 makeup artists get a chance to become a CoverGirl brand ambassador. So hope you guys like my look. If you guys want to try it, let me know what you think when you do. I feel like a CoverGirl model.